Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm going to be trying to curl my entire hair with the Dyson Airwrap styler. And excuse me, Luna. I've already done two videos using the Dyson. The first one was like a little review, and the second one was trying to style my hair following this TikTok video I found. And if you haven't watched any of those, please go ahead and watch those. If you're wondering how it went, you know. But like I said, today I'm gonna be trying to curl my hair just using the Dyson. My hair is damp at the moment because I've noticed that your hair gets styled better with the Dyson when your hair is damp versus completely dry. And so I'm just gonna be going in with the 1.2 inch attachment, and I will be switching out like between these two because they both go in different directions depending on which side of my hair I'm doing at the moment. I already put all the products in my hair, and I didn't show you guys because it's the same products I used last time. If you're wondering as to what products I used, I did show them in both my previous Dyson videos, and also I'll just be linking them down below as well. But before I get started, I always comb out my hair first because my hair always gets tangled easily, so I just want to start with like a tangle free. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start sectioning off my hair, and I'm just going to like section like just, you know, like the bottom half and then the top half, do it later, twist it. And the reason I'm twisting it is because I'm using these little hair clips, and these actually hold my hair better in place. So in the last video that I did about the Dyson, I had mentioned that, you know, I followed a TikTok, and the girl that did that TikTok, she mentioned about using, when you curl your hair with the Dyson, to go like this versus letting the hair wrap around the barrel by itself. And then after that, I also saw another YouTube video where I actually saw the thumbnail of that video, and the girl was also, you know, she said this was like the correct way, like this in her thumbnail. So I mean, I'll still link it down below if I can find it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and see how it turns out, and hopefully it turns out okay, because I'm gonna go out on a little lunch date later, so I wanna, you know, have my hair done looking nice and not all weird. So let's hope this works out. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys like the curls, like how they look differently. So when I go like this and wrap the hair around it myself, this is what the curl looks like. And when I let my hair wrap around the barrel by itself, this is what it looks like right there. So that one has more like, it's like more like a curl all throughout, like it's just like, I don't know, it just looks like just all even throughout. And then this one kind of has more like, you know, just kind of like the little coil in a way, you know what I mean? Like it just kind of goes like that, versus this was just like the entire thing. So there's like somewhat different. I don't know which one will last longer, but I just kind of wanted to experiment with it. And I did one on the other side too, which I forgot to show you guys. So I just want to see like what lasts longer. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish off my hair and then I'll be right back. So my hair is almost done. I just need to do the front, which I'm gonna brown brush, but here, I'll just kind of like put this right here. But I'm gonna just spray this Playa New Day mist all over my hair and then just comb it out, because there are some like tight curls in there, so I just want to like loosen them up. Front, and like I said, I'm gonna round brush it instead of curling it. And what I've been doing, I just filled up this little glass like spray bottle that I had laying around to spray my hair because it's already like starting to dry. Okay, so these are the results. I just, you know, like as you saw, I just round brushed my little front pieces. And then I do have, after combing it out, like some of the curls are a lot looser. There's still some that are kind of like, just like go back to their normal curl, like when I first, you know, curled it, like right here in the front. But I feel like just over time, once I go out and stuff, like my hair just like starts to go back to normal. Like curls don't last all day in my hair. And that's just how my hair's always been. So by the end of the day, most of these curls will either be gone or they'll just be like a lot loose than they are right now, which I don't mind because, you know, later on I'm just gonna be home. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. It is a little frizzy, but that's, you know, always an issue with my hair. But so it's not bad, like curling my hair with the Dyson. I did use the two attachments, which I just like switched between depending on what side of my hair I was doing at the moment. But it's not bad. I do want to keep like practicing, so like it doesn't take me as long because it did take me a while. I want to say maybe it took me like almost an hour just trying to do my hair. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. So I do want to keep practicing so that, you know, it takes less time, and like that I know exactly how to do it and what to expect, you know, and not be like, oh my god, that's not how I wanted my hair to turn out or whatever. Alright, so that was everything for today's video. I hope this video helped you in one way or another. If you have the Dyson Airwrap styler, or you're planning on getting it, I hope this video kind of helped you in some way. Like I said, I want to learn how to style my hair differently using the Airwrap, and this was, you know, curling it, so I do need to practice more with the curls, just because some of them did come out tighter and some of them came out looser. And also I don't want to have like, you know, like this bunch right here that's like right here, so I just need to fix that. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on practicing, and eventually I know I'm gonna get it down. But yeah, thank you so much for being here, and if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.